Hello friends, and welcome back to my kitchen, the heart of the home with me, Naris. Today I'm going to be making another simple dish, tin fish chutney. These are the ingredients and the full recipe is in the description box below. To start, you can see I've already added my onion, ginger and garlic paste, as well as 2 dry chilies. I'm following that with some tomatoes, curry leaf, thyme, and some green chillies. We want to give this a nice mix before we go in with the masala and the turmeric powder. So I'm also going to be adding in some chili powder. I want to give this another stir. Add some salt for taste. I'm just going to be adding in a little bit of boiled water as the tomatoes are already melting very nicely. So I just left that on for about 5 minutes for the tomatoes to melt, and it's looking good enough for me to mash this down. That gravy is looking nice and thick already. So I'm going to be going in with the middle cut tin fish. So I use the middle cut tin fish that's in brine. I don't use the one that's in the tomato. And I prefer to use the middle cut as it is a bigger fish and it's easier to handle. So as you can see, that's very simple, guys. This is a quick recipe and all you need is some fresh coriander to garnish. And this is your tin fish chutney, best served with roti, but just as good with rice or bread. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.